everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Seaton. So this week it's the last week of October. I'm prepping my planner for November. It's a new month, new goals, new mindset, right? It's always, every day is a fresh start. So today's video is going to be my dashboard for November. So you can see Sunday, November 1st is here. We are slowly almost out of 2020. And honestly, I'm not sad to see it go. It was kind of a shit year, right? All right, so today we're setting up my November 2020 page. I typically use this to almost like a bucket list for the month. So for October, I had a fall bucket list on there. This month for November, I'm gonna use it for things that I'm grateful for. I think it's really easy this year to kind of get caught up in the negativity of politics and racial relations, and just there's so much going on in the world right now. And I think we all need a restart. I think we need to take time this month and be thankful. So my plan for this page is to jot down things that I'm thankful for. We are going to be using 2 sticker books. I did go ahead and pull some stickers already. So this, I know I've talked about this on my channel before. This is one of my favorite sticker books. It's called Happy Year. I think I might pick up a couple more of these because it's perfect, man. If you don't have this, I highly recommend it. I also have this small little sticker book called Thankful. These just came out in the fall release and it's cute. It comes with 5 pages. They're like $4. I mean, there's not a lot to them, but I think they're cute. I like them. I actually have a ton of these little books. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I did pull some stickers. I think they're really cute. So we're just gonna dive in. So immediately I knew that I wanted to cover up this notes and ideas section here because I'm gonna put my little boxes here that I'm, and I can write in there things that I'm grateful for or thankful for. So let's go ahead and cover up the notes and ideas. And then in this small thankful book, they had this sticker in there that just says thankful. I thought it was kind of perfect. And I'm gonna put it right in the box. But I want you guys to be able to read it. Yeah, I think that's good. Right there's a little, okay. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I wanted to add some pumpkins down here. In this section here, the holidays, birthdays, dates to remember, I don't have any real dates in November to remember right now. Maybe a couple doctor's appointments. I'm gonna leave it open for now. So in the Happy Year book, they have these awesome pumpkins. Are these not so cute? So we are gonna put those, well, if I can get them out. Come on. Okay. So I kind of want to make it look like these pumpkins are behind this black banner here. So I'm going to cut off the bottom of them like that. And this one I'm going to put slightly at an angle. So again, I'm just going to cut it slightly at an angle. You guys, it's almost Turkey Day. Well, Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays because normally it's a chance for my family to all be together. I don't know how this is really going to work this year with COVID, but I'm hoping that I'll still get to see a few of my family members. They're pretty much the only people we've been seeing still. So I feel like I need something else here. We might need to bring in reinforcements. I didn't pull enough stickers. Shocking, I know. Every video I've done so far, I haven't pulled enough stickers. Let's see what's in this one. No. I pulled a couple of other seasonal books as well, just in case. So here's the new fall book. Let's see if I can find something down here to kind of fill in here. Oh, these are cute. This is cute. I think I have that come in like that. Maybe a little bit more showing. Start to bring in some of those other colors. It's kind of cute. So that opens up this teal color, which I saw, I think, in this book. Maybe not. Was it this book, The Happy Year? Yes, it was. Let's go back to my pumpkins. All right, let's add in some of these little tealy colored pieces here. Oh, look, that one fit perfectly. Didn't really want any apples. Apple season is past. I mean, I guess I could just do different size pumpkins down here. That would be fine. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I did pull this turkey. But now that I'm seeing it, I don't think he's really very cute for this spread. I think we're just going all pumpkin on the bottom. All right, one more. Well, that looks cute. Okay. This guy is kind of random over here. He needs more. No, 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 no. I kind of like the pumpkins. I wish their stems weren't all pointing the same way, but nothing I can do about that. All right, so my plan with this is, like I said, to write things in the boxes that I'm thankful for. So I'm gonna be a little rando about where to put these because I don't want it to look too matchy. I don't want to press that one down until this is like putting frames on a wall when you want it to be, when you want it to look like random or sporadic, but really you spent like forever. Okay, I like that. All right, I think this focus on, I want to change out. Will that do it? Yes, it will. Whoops. It's kind of cute. It says remember. I don't really like the triangle stickers very much. That's cute. It says sweater weather. We could do that. I mean, I live in New Hampshire, so it's been sweater weather since October. Like early October. Oh, I found this would work. We can add some more of this in here. I'll have to punch this, I think. So it doesn't look as random as that. All right, so what do you guys use your currently pages for? Like I said, I typically do like a bucket list for the month of things, you know, fun things to do with my kids or my husband. Switching it up this month and doing a sheet, or you know, things that I'm thankful for, which is nice. This is cute. I'm trying to think of things to bring in a little bit more color down here at the bottom. Of course, it's not long enough. It's okay. There. I apologize if you guys can hear. My neighbor has chickens or rooster or something in the darn thing is so not loud. That looks cute. I think we need a little pumpkin or down here. Pull one of these out of here. You know what? That's too many pumpkins. I don't know what I'm thinking. Oh, this is cute. Season of Gratitude. I'm gonna put that here. Just to give it a little something. I think that's it. I don't want to add too much to it because I want room to write. I might pull this. I'm just gonna put a remember sticker here. Okay, I think we're done. Short and sweet. I think that's super cute. It leaves me a little spot here to write down my monthly to-dos or things that I want to remember to do. And then it also leaves me 6 spots to write down things that I'm grateful for. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short, very quick video. Look me up on Instagram if you're not already following me. It's @SargentPlans. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you do. And thanks for watching.